Badminton doubles specialist Jwala Gutta has returned to the court after a long gap of 8 months. In an exclusive chat with NNI Sports, the 29-year-old Hyderabadi girl feels that she will try to be 100% fit for the Indian Open Badminton tournament. The All England Open Championship in March will be the first tournament for the ace Indian shuttler Jwala Gutta. After the London Olympics, the Hyderabadi ace went on a break for almost 7 months. The double specialist feels that she will try to be 100% fit for the prestigious Indian Open tournament. According to her, All England Championship will be the testing ground for her.
I had started training about 10 days ago, and then I had this 3 days of break, so I have to start all over again. So I'm sure it'll be okay. I have three and a half weeks more to go, and I'll be fine by then. I hope. See, I'm not saying that I'll be 100% fit. Obviously, I'll be lying if I say that. But I have to make a start. And April, I feel the Indian Open is very important because we are the host, and everybody expects us to play well. So I had to, these tournaments would be like my practice tournaments. I have to practice. I have to get the match tournament feel before the important tournament. I just can't just practice the for 2 whole months and go and play the major important tournament. So I had to play these 2 tournaments to get the feel back. And yeah, that's why I'm playing these 2 tournaments, and I'm playing with Prajakta and Diju.
Earlier, it was reported that 2010 Commonwealth Games gold medalist Jwala will not be playing mixed doubles with V. Diju, but now she confirmed that she will pair with her old partner in the tournaments.
No, I didn't say anything like that. I think Diju had given a statement that he was playing with an Indonesian player, so that's why I thought he was not available. But now he's made himself available for me, so we are playing mixed doubles over there.
However, she feels that badminton is all about individual sports and the participation in certain tournaments depends on individual.
See, it's an individual sport, really, and playing a tournament or not playing a tournament is an individual decision. I can't really comment on it. If I was injured, I don't think I would have played that tournament. So I'm not sure, but yes, if you talk about Saina's thing, what happened, I was also kind of shocked, and I had no clue what was happening actually. So I can't really comment. It's an individual sport, and it's an individual choice, and I don't think anybody has to say or has any right to say about that. I think it's a personal choice completely.
Recently, Jwala, who is the reigning Commonwealth Games gold medalist, also did a shooting for a dance number in a Telugu film.